Lay the wicking mat flat over the plant support frame. Place it into the seed tray. Soak the wicking mat completely with water. Then add clean water or a water-soluble fertilizer. Put it into the planting slots. Add your seed starting soil. Now you're ready to plant your favorite seeds. Write the plant name on the label. Put on the vented cover and install the grow light. Close the lid. Set lighting duration. Your easy and convenient seed starter kit is all set. Now just sit back and watch your plants grow. Enjoy the beauty of growing life at home.